This video is for you if you want to launch your own manufacturing company but don't have a lot of money to invest. We've put together a list of 20 manufacturing business ideas that are affordable and ideal for first-time entrepreneurs. Top-ranked dish and drink. The production of food and beverages is a massive industry with numerous subsectors. Both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks are produced in the beverage industry, whereas food manufacturing includes everything from second-hand dairy products to packaged goods. With a modest initial investment, you can launch an online business producing Ayurvedic soap and candles. As more individuals become aware of the advantages of utilizing Ayurvedic products, there is a growing demand for Ayurvedic soap and candles. The third, cosmetic production. Cosmetic manufacturing. One of the most profitable industries in the world is the cosmetics manufacturing sector. Cosmetic. By 2024, the market is anticipated to grow to $715 billion. Number 4. Wooden furniture. There is a constant demand for wooden furniture, and starting a business to make it is quite easy. You will need to invest in certain tools and equipment, but the cost is not very large. Number 5. Food processing. Food processing is the process of taking raw ingredients and transforming them into consumable final products, such as canned goods. Cold foods that have been dried or other processed goods. The 6th, manufacturing of body incense sticks. The production of Hager bodies or incense sticks has been more popular recently, and with a minimal initial investment, it may be a profitable economic endeavor. Of time and money, you may launch your own entrepreneurial company and be your own boss. Packed drinking water plant. Number 7, packaged drinking water plant is a fantastic choice for you if you want to launch a manufacturing company with little capital. Packaged drinking water is a necessary commodity with high market demand. You may launch and expand this business with little capital. Paper bag making. Paper bag making, ranked 8, is a low-investment manufacturing venture that's ideal for novices. There is a great need for paper bags, and the paper bag sector is expanding quickly. With a little initial expenditure, you may launch this firm and grow it over time as demand boosts. Organic fertilizer manufacturing business. As more people become aware of the advantages of utilizing organic products, there is a growing need for organic fertilizer, accounting for the 9th, organic fertilizer manufacturing business. Pet food manufacturing business. Number 10. If you're considering beginning a pet food manufacturing business, you might want to consider starting a pet food production company. The need for wholesome, high-quality pet food is increasing, and starting a pet food manufacturing business would require investing in supplies and ingredients. Acquire a government license and appoint staff. Number 11, handmade jewelry manufacturing business. If you have a creative spirit and a love of creating jewelry, launching your own handmade jewelry manufacturing company can be a fantastic way to make some extra money. With the right tools and some experience, you may start your own business creating and selling exquisite jewelry. Business. Number 12, for stationery manufacturing. Stationery manufacturing company. Starting a stationery manufacturing business could be the ideal choice for you if you have a creative and stationery-related interest. With few startup costs and basic equipment, you can begin creating high-quality products that consumers will like. Number 13, home cleaning products manufacturing enterprise. Manufacturing enterprise. If you're seeking for low-cost, high-quality manufacturing business ideas, you might want to think about launching a company to manufacture cleaning supplies for the home enterprise. Number 14. Fruit juice manufacturing enterprise. People of all ages enjoy drinking fruit juice since it is a refreshing and healthful beverage. Establishing a fruit juice manufacturing company might be an excellent low-investment means of breaking into the food and beverage sector. 15. Production of spice powder. Are you seeking for low-cost manufacturing business ideas? If so, starting a spice powder production company can be the ideal choice for you. Production of customized gift items. 16. Production of customized gift items. If you're talented at making unusual and personalized presents, consider launching a company that specializes in personalized. A low-investment method of earning money from home is selling gifts. There are several ways to personalize gifts, ranging from making custom products from scratch to engraving names or phrases on objects. Number 17. Production of homemade sauce and condiments with relatively modest initial expenses and the option to make products on a smaller, larger scale. Starting your own production business could be a wonderful fit for you if you're enthusiastic about food and enjoy making your own sauces and condiments. This kind of business can adapt to your demands, Number 18, in the creation of personalized phone cases. Starting a personalized phone company could be the ideal manufacturing business idea for you if you have a creative flair and enjoy customizing your possessions. It's a low-investment business that you can start from home with a little ingenuity. Plus a few fundamental supplies, you can design unique phone cases that your clients would adore. Manufacturing of baby clothes. Number 19. Production of infant clothing. There are lots of low-investment baby clothing manufacturing company ideas for beginners. The most crucial element to take into account before beginning to manufacture baby garments, the intended market is business. Production of coconut oil. And number 20, manufacturing of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural, healthful substitute for conventional cooking oils that has been used for thousands of years in Asia and is currently becoming more and more popular in the West. Coconut oil can be used as a moisturizer in baking recipes and even for cooking. Lastly, you have to draft a business strategy. Watch this video to discover how to create a business plan step by step before you launch any ventures. Regards.